Enabling two-factor authentication on your Indeed account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Indeed website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option labeled Account or Profile in the menu. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, locate the Security or Privacy section. This is where you will find options related to two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on it and follow the prompts to set it up, which may include entering your phone number or using an authentication app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up two-factor authentication, confirm your settings. Make sure to save any changes before exiting the account settings. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Indeed account with two-factor authentication.